ओम श्री साई राम। गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना पार्वतीनन्दन भवभयभञ्जन युगयुगवन्दित जय श्री गणेशा। Om Sri Sai Ram. I often tell my friends that if any time Oscar had come during Swami's Leelas, they would have given all the Oscar awards for the best acting to our 5 feet 3 inch God. No doubts on that. I will narrate one or two instances. Nobody can beat him in that. Once, after Swami's first interview, after 90s, he would come out in the portico and make inquiries with the staff, sometimes call them for some important meeting, but most of the times he would be speaking to the students, to the guests, and he would even make fun with the students at their expenses. But his fun making also had profound meanings. Once it so happened, Swami came out from the interview room, and there was this NRI devotee, a Punjabi devotee. He was, I know him by face many years, but we don't remember names. So two brothers, tall gentlemen. So he was sitting there in the veranda, and anybody could see that he was under some great tension like. So Swami came near him. Kya samacharam? What is the news? You have something to ask, some tensions? He said, no, Swami, nothing. But his body language revealed that he had something to ask. Don't keep it inside you. You will get stomachache. Come on, tell me, what is it? No, Swami, nothing. Tell. Swami, if you insist, I will ask, but before that you have to promise that you will not get angry with me. Now this was very unique. Swami said, me angry? I never get angry. No, Swami, if you promise that you will not get angry, then alone I will ask my doubts. Otherwise, let it be, Swami. Hey, Kheldas, do I get angry anytime? Now, Kheldas, he himself told me many times that he gets left and right thrashing from Swami practically every day. He said, no, Swami. Now, what he has to say? Next, Dr. Safaya was sitting there, the director of the super specialty hospital. Safaya, Swami ko kabhi gussa aata hai? Swami, anytime Swami will get angry? No, Swami. Look, now, just 2 days before, I knew it from Mr. Kheldas because he used to sit inside the interview room. Swami had taken Safaya doctor from his collar and told him, you, this, that, everything. But they used to love his thrashings because they knew the love behind it. So Safaya also said, no, Swami. Dekho, look, I never get angry. He said, Swami, simple. If you promise me that you will not get angry, I'm going to ask my doubts. Otherwise, let it be. I have no issues on that. But this God will not leave it that like that. He had come prepared to make fun. He said, okay, I promise, I promise, I promise. Now tell me, what is there in your mind? He stood on his knees and he said, स्वामी आप तो भगवान हैं, फिर इतना ड्रामा इतना नाटक क्यों करते हैं? Now everybody who was sitting there, they did not know how to react to this. Swami said, come. कृष्णा से कम करता हूं. Now who can beat him on this? Once, I think most of us remember that saddest day, 6th June 1993, when some unfortunate incident happened in Prashant Nilayam when Swami's two boys lost their lives in super specialty hospital. Everybody was in tears. Nobody had any mood to even go for tea or tiffin. Such a atmosphere across. And Swami was also very sad, and I heard from somebody that Swami shed tears in the hospital for his boys. One of them, Radha Krishnan brother, who was to drive Swami's car. So you can imagine the atmosphere. I was also sitting and everybody quiet. Swami came out from his, Swami had shifted to Purnachandra on that day itself. So Swami was coming from Purnachandra and nobody even dared to give letter, nothing. No question does not arise. Everybody was in serious mood. Swami came and directly he went to his interview room, and his door was, normally when Swami goes to interview room, either he closes the door if there is a private interview, or even Mr. Kheldas or student would close the door behind him. But on that day, nobody dared to do anything. Both the doors were open. Swami went and sat on the chair. After 5-10 minutes, from the interview room, Swami looked at a VIP sitting in portico, Professor Ramaraju. He told me this. He was a professor of Hindi in Hyderabad University. He was great devotee and very thorough gentleman, elderly person. So now this Professor Ramarao, he very respectfully, with his head bent, his hands folded, walked slowly towards Swami's interview room, and he told me all the while he was going inside, he was thinking at the back of his mind what to say, because this was saddest incident. Swami's beloved student had lost his life. So he did not know, he was searching, being a professor, he was searching for words to express his sorrow. He went and Swami, he bent like this. Hey Ramaraju, कैसा लगा मेरा ड्रामा? Go. Now this professor, after I think about 2 years, yes, 95, I've been to his house in Hyderabad. He narrated this to me. He said, Harish, nobody can comprehend the mystery of this avatar. On that day, I got my proof that he is the Sutradhari of the entire drama, the entire creation. The director is unaffected by happenings on the screen. The audience gets affected. The director, if he watches his own movie, even if there is the most tragic scene, he will not shed tears. He will act, he will react, but his action and his reaction would be of that witness to his own creation. He'll appreciate his own creation if performance is up to his mark. That is what Swami told one of the devotees I had mentioned in different talk, my friend Ram Ratnani. He said, Swami, we all are your puppets. And I am your puppet number one. Many people claim that. Swami said, no, you are not my puppets. You are my performers. The dialogue, the script, the story, the entry, the exit, the costume, the camera, the action, the reaction, everything is decided, scripted, and directed by me. But perform you must. You are my performers. And perform to please God. If you perform to please me, I will elevate your mind to the higher and higher levels of consciousness. Jai Sai Ram.